Hey guys, I've been spending a lot of time lately in Blender and have been having a ton of fun learning this program and figuring out ways to enliven my Scandy Pro 3D scans. So I wanted to share one project that I created recently to show you how you can make an impactful 3D animation in just a few simple steps using Scandy Pro and Blender. So follow along to see how I created this project, and I hope it's useful. I started out by capturing this 3D scan of animal skeletons at the Halloween shop, then exported the scan to send it to my computer. Once I had the file on my laptop, I imported the skeletons into this simple scene I made in Blender with some objects I sculpted in Mesh Mixer. I applied materials and lighting beforehand to customize the scene to my liking. So, to animate this object, start by right-clicking on your scan to select it, and then go to the modifiers in the Properties toolbar. Click Add Modifier, then select Displacement. Go to the mid-level settings and adjust to see how this distorts your scan. Once you've got a feel for the presets you'd like to work with, right-click, then select Insert Keyframe to begin your animation. I then went 50 frames down on my timeline and readjusted the mid-level to insert my next keyframe. I wanted to end the animation with the scan's beginning state, so I inserted a keyframe at 100 with the mid-level set back to 1. So I pretty easily got this really awesome explosive effect on my scan, really giving it a personified feeling that I was very satisfied with. And here is a final rendered out animation where you can see the animation with the material and lighting settings. I hope that this tutorial was helpful and gave you some inspiration on getting some motion applied to your 3D scans. Please let me know if you have any questions or work to share.